side kick on the ground. Let's talk about it. Okay, in this video, I'm going to start very basic, and we're going to eliminate the balance in our side kicks right off the bat. We're not going to worry about standing and trying to kick, getting a chamber, rechamber nice and solid while we're on one foot. We're going to take it to the ground. So let's get to the ground. We're on the ground. Okay. So now what we're going to do is with this technique, it strengthens our leg, our gluteus maximus, all the way down, calf, ankle, all that stuff. We eliminate the balance part of it and work and focus on how our foot needs to be. And we can look at that as we're just striking slow and bringing it back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So go ahead, let's lay on the ground. Okay, let's go ahead like we're watching TV, which I think a lot of us do. Okay, so with this leg, which is going to be your right leg or your left, doesn't matter. What we're going to do is the first deal is we're going to bring the knee as tight as we can into our chest. Okay, now this works when we are on one foot as well. The same chamber that we do when we're on our foot standing up. All right, so we're just going to bring the knee up as tight as we can. And if you have this much, don't worry about it. That's as far as you need to go. We'll just work with that, okay? But bring it up as high as you can, nice and tight. Okay, now let's work on this. Okay, so we don't want to point our foot. We don't want it down. We don't want it up. We want it level. So if someone puts a plate right there, it would be imbalanced. And that's a drill too that I might touch on here in a few minutes. Make sure that that is perfectly level, straight. Ankle, pull those toes back as far as you can so they're out of the way. And the heel is the point of contact that we're executing straight out in front of us. Okay, so pretend there's a string between our hip and the back side of our ankle, and we're going to push that string out, and we're going to lock it. You're going to find a point on the other side of the room. Bring it back. Make sure that foot is level, and bring it back, and then bring it back forward. Lock it out. Make sure that heel is the point, and bring it back, and then down. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the other side of the foot. So same thing on this side. Okay, just kind of relax. Bring the foot up. Now remember, don't really concentrate on this foot for proper technique because this foot doesn't do it. But you guys get the idea with my left foot. So same thing here. You're going to bring it up close to your chest. You're going to chamber. You're going to kick out. Make sure everything's nice and straight. And then bring it back. One more. Bring it out. Good. Bring it back. Nice. And then down. Okay. As simple as that. Okay. And there's a side kick made easy. And then when we get, and then you can start, once you get your footwork worked out and solid, then you can stand up and try it with more speed and more power, and then you can work more on the balance as well. All right? Okay, with all of that now, go ahead and work hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.